Hello. What I'm doing is every scene I see here, I'm gonna get a few seconds of it so we can just see what they do. Alright, until the next scene. See you on the flip side. They're adjusting something, obviously. Is that like putting an attachment on the end of your drill? Is that like a bit that they use to get something done? And it's breaking away now? We'll see how far away it moves from the ISS. Watch the shadow and see if light comes between the piece and the station. Just trying to figure out how they do this stuff, you know? Because right here looks like that's where it attaches onto something. I don't know though. And watch the shadows so we can get a idea of shape and size. I only get these opportunities every so often, so I'm going to run this video as long as I have to see. It's not like a piece that's mounted on a panel. This is like a big piece of something. Its own big, huge piece of equipment. And this looks like an X-ray thing, doesn't it? Oh yeah, there's a lot of light coming upon it. I can't believe they haven't went blue screen on this. So something you might attach there. Alright, I ran it the whole 15. And then I saw they moved the whole machine around in rotation. And I was just wrapping it up with you, but I knew they were going to run a simulation. That's what they were doing. It's exactly what that piece was doing. They were getting it ready. So I threw most of the video away because I knew they were going to run one. Oh, wow, look at that. Whoa. This is all new. We've not seen this before. There's your little sun dogs. So they've got one down here and one up there. Wow, look at that. Oh, they pulled it. I wonder if they pulled that screen up.